Maintenance. Step 1. Apply the regular oil onto the train, this point and this point. Step 2. Add pneumatic tube oil onto the air inlet and insert the air tube. Step 3. Hold the stripper with your both hands and hand it up, then turn it on and let it rotate for 5 or 10 seconds. This place has been treated with anti-roll paper to prevent waste paper from being rolled in. After stripping waste, we should remove the waste paper from the machine and do not let it roll into the machine, waste paper on the ground, or the stock on the cardboard.